everyone. This dish was born out of necessity, but it turned out pretty good. I hope you all like it too. This simple yet delicious chicken dish is made with only a few ingredients which we mostly have it at home. So let's begin making it. So in a pan I have added 1/4 cup of cooking oil. I'm using canola oil, but you can use any oil you like. When oil is hot, I'm adding 1 teaspoonful of cumin along with it sliced ginger and sliced green chilies. These chilies are hot, but if you don't like heat, you can always use any milder chilies of your liking. Let's stir fry it until the aroma is released. Then I'm going to add 1 pound of chicken pieces. This is chicken tenderloins I'm using. If you have chicken thighs or any other cut you like, please use that. Any kind of cut works really well with this dish. So let's stir fry it till chicken changes its color. You can see it's already started changing. It looks white, but I'm going to stir fry it and make sure chicken is cooked a bit. The heat is on medium high and I'm constantly stirring it to make sure chicken does not stick to the bottom, and also coat it with all the spices and the flavor comes through. I'm going to stir fry it for about couple of minutes. When chicken turns white from all sides, then I will cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Since this is boneless, skinless chicken, it will not take long time to cook. 5 minutes will be good. It will release its juices and it will cook through. Cover and cook it for 5 minutes. The heat is going to be on low this time, so make sure you reduce the heat so chicken does not burn. So it has been 5 minutes and our chicken is almost cooked. So it's time to add the other spices and make the sauce. Let's stir it first and to make sure chicken is not sticking to the bottom. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of GG paste or ginger garlic paste. Let's stir it and make sure it's fried in the oil. Also I am adding few fresh curry leaves. These are from my garden. I grow them. In winter I bring them inside, but they survive. So fresh curry leaves have wonderful aroma. If you never use it, please give it a try. I'm pretty sure you will like it. So we are going to stir fry the chicken to make sure ginger garlic paste releases its flavor. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of ground coriander or coriander powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper ground. So this black pepper is going to make this dish spicy, this chicken dish spicy. Also I am adding half a cup of yogurt, plain yogurt. This is not flavored yogurt, no sweet. So this is little tart. So like I said, this dish was born out of necessity and I didn't have tomatoes or onions, so I used what I had it in my refrigerator and it worked out really well. So I'm stirring the chicken properly, thoroughly to make sure it's coated with spices and it also not burning at the bottom or sticking to the bottom. So it's almost done. Now I'm going to cover it again, lower the heat to the lowest possible setting and going to cook it for another 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, time to check on our chicken. It looks really good. The sauce is firm, it's thicker, and time to add the salt. You could add salt in the beginning or any other point you like. I had forgotten to add the salt, so I'm adding it right now. So salt is added. I'm going to stir it well to make sure it's coated with the spices and salt, and it's ready. Looks good, doesn't it? I'm going to serve this chicken with naan and a fresh roti made at home, but it will certainly taste good with any kind of rice, plain boiled rice or any other bread you have it at home. It will also go very well with pasta if you wish. So I really hope you enjoyed the dish and stay connected for more recipes like this. Till then, goodbye.